In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change perspective in CapCut. If you want your footage to feel more dynamic, like it's tilting or flipping in space, CapCut's built-in animations make it simple and clean, without manual keyframing. I'll walk you through how to find and apply the effect that gives your clip a 3D perspective shift. Start by opening CapCut. Give it a moment to load your workspace, then create a new project or open an existing one where you want to add this effect. Before you dive in, it's a good idea to choose the correct canvas ratio for where your video will live, such as 16:9 for landscape or 9:16 for vertical. That way, your animation will look right in the final format. Next, add your video. Import the clip you want to stylize and place it on the timeline. Choose a shot with a clear subject and some depth, because perspective changes look best when there's a foreground or a defined point of interest. Trim the clip to the segment you plan to animate so the effect lands exactly where you need it. With your clip selected, click on Animation. You'll see options designed to move or transform your video over time. Make sure the clip is highlighted on the timeline, otherwise the animation controls won't apply to the right piece. This panel is where you'll control how the motion starts, progresses, and ends. Now click on Combo. Combo animations blend the entry and exit movement into a single, continuous effect, which is perfect for a perspective shift that feels smooth and intentional rather than abrupt. You'll see a variety of presets here, grouped by style. Look for 3D Card. This preset adds a subtle yet convincing tilt and rotation, as if your footage is a physical card moving in 3D space. Select it to apply, then preview your clip. Use the duration slider to fine-tune how fast or slow the move feels. Shorter durations punch harder for quick edits, while longer durations feel cinematic and controlled. As you preview, watch the edges of the frame to make sure nothing important is cropping out during the tilt. And try to keep your main subject centered so the movement reads clearly. If the motion feels too strong, reduce the duration slightly. If it's too gentle, extend it a bit to emphasize the shift. You can always switch to another combo preset if you want a different flavor, or set it back to none to compare before and after. That's it. Open CapCut, add your video, go to Animation, choose Combo, and apply 3D Card for a clean perspective change. Save your project, and you're ready to use this effect in edits, reels, and intros. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!